15 minutes of your time, one approval click, and a finished, publish-ready video. That is the promise of your first StudioCut production. In a warm, friendly tone, it all starts on your dashboard. After signing in, you have two simple ways to begin: the New Production button in the top right header, or the Create entry in the left sidebar. Both open the same powerful wizard. For today, let's click New Production and see how quickly we can turn an idea into a professional asset. Now, tell the wizard exactly what you want. Give your production a title and choose a content type. Pasting a full article works beautifully for a first run. Drop your text into the source box, pick Landscape for YouTube, and set your duration. You can leave the style drop-downs on their defaults for now. Notice the quality and cost slider? It shows a live credit estimate, so you always know the cost before you hit Create. With excitement and energy, once you click Create, you'll meet the 5 phases of production: plan, assets, direction, render, and publish. The video is generated across these stages, and the page updates itself automatically as each one completes. Phase 1 takes about a minute to analyze your content and build the narrative structure. It's the engine that makes the magic happen while you focus on other work. Here is your only job: approve the plan. The Plan tab fills with a scene-by-scene storyboard film strip, showing every scene with its title and duration. This is the most critical moment in the pipeline. Read through it, fix anything the AI might have misread, and then click Approve in the header. Once you do, the assets, direction, and rendering all run on their own. This is the cheapest and fastest gate to ensure your vision is perfect before the final pixels are polished. When the rendering finishes, your masterpiece is ready in the Video tab. You'll find a playable high-definition MP4 with a download button and a share review link right beside it. Click Download, and the file is yours to keep. In just a few minutes of active time, you've gone from a raw article to a professional-grade video without touching a single complex editing timeline. But we don't stop at the video. The Publish Info tab provides a generated YouTube title, a full description with timestamps, ranked tags, and even a thumbnail. Just copy them into YouTube Studio and you've officially shipped your first video. Ready to master every field in the wizard? Join us in episode 02, where we dive deep into customization. Your journey to effortless content starts now.